Good day, I am part of history. My name is Angel James E. Itong and I am 21 years old. I was born on March 19, 2004 in Taloto, Tagbilaran City, Bohol, which is also my current residence. I am currently pursuing a Bachelor of Science in Marine Transportation proudly in my third year at PIMI Bohol. Outside of my academic pursuits, I found a joy and freedom in both running and driving in motorcycle. Now, how does Angel James Itong fit into the grand narrative of Philippine history? My hometown Tagbilaran City, Bohol has always been a vital port city and bustling center of trade of the entire province. For centuries, it served as a crucial gateway connecting Bohol to other islands and facilitating the exchange of goods and ideas. This constant movement mirrors my own aspiration as a maritime student preparing to navigate global oceans and foster connections. I am a product of this rich history carrying forward Tagbilaran's legacy of connectivity and exploration. So, why is it important to study Philippine history as a student and as a part of the nation? As a student, understanding our history goes beyond memorizing facts. It cultivates critical thinking and appreciation for our ancestors' sacrifices. It helps us learn from the triumphs and mistakes, inspiring us to contribute positively to our society. For the nation, history fosters a strong sense of identity, reminding us of shared struggles and victories that unite us. It provides essential context for our present challenges and guides us toward shaping a better future. And always remember, we are not we are today without the history. I am not just a student, I am part of Philippine history.